this thing. I'm gonna get drunk and have a spa day. I have this nasty bottle of Bacardi Gold left over from the 4th of July, and we're just gonna have a good ass time. I'm not a big spa girl. Open our fucking pores with a nice hot towel because that's like spa treatment, right? This is soothing. But one nice thing about the hot towel is because it's opened my pores, my hairs are just sliding out like butter. That's why before I wax my fajina, I always take a hot shower, and then when I get out, she's ready to be waxed. And now, I will shave my face. The last thing you want is to get your face sliced up. And if you're drinking, razor blades probably aren't the best thing. The reason I do this is because it gets off all the little peach fuzzies. And when you get rid of all the little, oh, we got a nice, oh, that's a nice one. Look at that fuzz that came off my face. Now I'm going to do my peel because that's what you do when you go to the spa, I suppose. So I'm gonna take my Sonia Roselli Sex Appeal. I'm gonna spray it on my face. Oh, it's locked. This stuff is amazing because you just rub it in and all your fucking skin comes off. It's no joke. I don't like the way it smells. It kind of smells like an old cigarette. You see all them little crusties on my fingers? That's my dead ass skin, y'all. It came up off my face. Hold on, let me do it again. After this, you're supposed to rinse your face off, but I don't feel like going to the sink, so I'll just go wipe it with my towel. Ooh, she clean, honey. Mm-hmm. I'm sure I don't have any critters up there. This innovative hydrogel mask with hyaluronic acid instantly quenches dry skin, leaving it hydrated, smooth, and supple. Alright. She is soothing my skins. Oh, yes. As a professional makeup artist, being my most professional self, a lot of sheet masks are a fucking rip. This is nice. This is a good one. Shantae, Shantae, Shantae. It's just me doing the damn thing. Because my wife left me to go to Disney with her friend Danny. I wasn't even invited. Psst. I don't need to be invited. That's fine. Whoa! Almost set my ass on fire! My head's starting to hurt. Oh. My skins feel nice though. Ooh, supple. Supple. Mm. Mm. Why did I decide to do this? So I took my hyaluronic acid mask off. And now I'm gonna put on some vitamin C serum. You can tell how many times I've been squirted in the face by the serum because I'm like, keep it away. Ooh! Okay. It smells like fish. I'm not joking. But it's really good for your skin. Oh my god, my father is calling me. I can't. Okay, hold on, stand by. Hey.
Hey, what are you doing?
I just got out of the shower. What are you doing?
Backstage waiting for the band to finish.
Oh, cool.
Get your plumbing fixed.
Okay. My father called, so yeah. a very low-key conversation. For like, oh my god, how long were we on the phone? Let me see. 24 minutes? Oh, God bless it. Okay, we're pretty much at the end of our spa day. Oh, something bubbling. Oh, she's bubbling. Okay. And now that we're all like prepped, she's preheated, you can go ahead and stick in the turkey. Oh my. We're gonna do some oil. I'm gonna put it in my hands. Oh, she's dripping. And I'm just gonna like luxuriously as fuck, like rub that into my face. Ooh, I'm gonna pat. Okay. Oh, it's so fucking luxurious, bitch. Just rubbing this oil up into my face like slick. Oh my god, I just want to keep on rubbing. She's so nice. I had some cuticle in here. Cuticle oil. In here somewhere. Cuticle oil. In here somewhere. She gone. She gone. I have no fucking idea how this site, how this video is going to turn out. I'm gonna get me some food. Let's get some Taco Bell. Hold on. This was a great spa night. I'm feeling luxurious, bitch. Like, Taco Bell is not on Uber Eats by me. What? Oh my god. I'm gonna need to get to the bottom of this. Let's do one more. You're gonna do it with me. You gotta do it with me. Okay, you first.
Oh, they're lucky. Lucky that I give a shit about my videos because I'm so fucking hammered right now. Oh, I felt like I was okay. While I was filming the video, I was like, it's fine, no big deal. What the fuck is wrong with me? This is what I do when my wife goes out of town. I'm such a fucking loser. So, I've just ordered Taco Bell and Uber Eats. I'm not feeling well. I'm wondering why I chose to do this to myself, being that I'm 100% alone and just fucking hammered for no goddamn reason. Okay. It's like, I'm gonna eat my, God, I'm gonna eat my Taco Bell, and I guess take another hot shower and put my sorry ass to bed. I woke up at 4 with like 4 a.m. with like the worst fucking headache ever, so I took a lot of Excedrin and made a big poop, and now I'm waiting for Katie to come home so she can make me BLTs. Thank you for wasting a few minutes of your life to watch me make a fool of myself. Until next time, bye-bye.